What's up, guys? I was driving a rental truck, and there's a 2023 hack that you can do. You don't even need jumper cables. If your battery dies like mine, see, I can push this and the engine just won't start. And if you got like a 2023 that has a micro USB charger here, then you can kind of just sort of, you can, what the, you can just kind of sort of take this little thing here, and if you plug this in and you've got like the USB here, like this, you plug that in, and you've got, it's one cord, right? So it can kind of go around, and then we're gonna, well, I'll show you here. Let's see. No way. No way. No way.